Welcome to DIY with Haydn. Add a point of difference to your walls with this fun and bright Spackling Wall Art. To begin with, you will need the following products on screen. The most important being the DAP Alex Plus Spackling, which is normally great for providing unsurpassed performance for filling holes and cracks in surfaces such as drywall, plaster, wood, brick, metal and stone. However, today it also demonstrates its strength in adding a dimension to a more creative way of working. Once you have your materials all sorted, we will begin by giving your Rust-Oleum chalk paint a good stir with our Haydn plastic paint stirrer. This paint is going to be used as your background colour, and we opted for the chiffon cream colour, which with its ultra matte finish, easy application and one coat coverage provided us with a soft, subtle look that only required one coat. Pour the paint into a 110mm Haydn plastic paint tray and use your Haydn mini roller handle and microfiber smooth mini roller sleeve to apply the paint to the canvas. Feel free to use our Haydn masking tape to mask up the side of the canvas if you want to leave them white, or you could even paint it another colour. Once the paint has dried, the fun part begins. Using your DAP Alex Plus Spackling and Haydn putty knife, you want to use the end of your knife to scoop some spackling on the end, changing the amount based on how big you want the petals to be. Apply pressure whilst bringing the knife towards what will be the centre of the flower. As for the centres, the best technique we found was to slop a dollop of spackling down, and then lightly move the knife in a circular motion to create a swirl effect. Following this, wait for the spackling to dry before painting the flowers. Although you could also leave them as is if you like the subtle muted tone of the spackling. However, we use the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Plus in gloss white and gloss canary yellow, painting the petals white and the centres yellow. Applying the paint using the Haydn size 8 Touch Up Artist Brush, which is great for accurate, detailed and controlled work. Once the paint has dried, your new Spackling Wall Art is ready to display and be the focal point of any room. And if daisies aren't your thing, feel free to try other shapes or patterns that might suit your style. Be sure to keep your eye out for more DIY with Haydn projects and stay up to date with everything else Haydn by following us on all of our social media accounts. Until next time, this has been DIY with Haydn.